Hello everybody. It's Dee from Sarah Designs. Welcome back to our channel. Today I have a really quick haul. Really quick haul for you. My desk is an absolute mess. I've been working on a massive project by Joey Cardmaker. He reached 5,000 subscribers, so he put out a free project. Sorry, I was getting it. And I've been working on it, and it's super cool. And it's consumed my life, kind of, sort of. It's butterflies, and he's got the colorful, all the colors, 5 signatures in the book, 5 or 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. He's doing them once a month. He's releasing the butterflies once a month. You have to cut them all out, which is very time consuming. These things are very time consuming. I have to do my small up in here. Look on his channel, Joey Cardmaker. It's all free, totally free. You do have to cut out the butterflies. They're very intricate. Yeah, they're time consuming. But I have a George. George is my brother's scan and cut. I named him George. It worked out great. There was only a few of them that didn't cut out properly. Not that big a deal. I can cut them out by hand, but just a handful. I did manage to cut out all of the colors. So I could go right ahead. Some of them cut out, some of them didn't. I could go ahead and start putting them in, but I want to follow his lead. And like I said, he's doing 1 color a month, 1 color family a month, 1 signature a month, whatever. So anyway, I've been working on that. Brother Scan and Cut, highly recommend for that. Otherwise, you're going to be cutting forever, fussy cutting forever, which he anticipated. That's why he's doing it once a month. But these are the little, this is not what this video is about. These are these little pockets here that I've had to painstakingly cut out. It's been all weekend. I haven't been doing it religiously, but and then me and crafty friend Wanda, actually, I'm going to give the credit where credit's due. Crafty friend Wanda came up with an idea of possibly putting washi tape instead of cutting out these pieces of paper underneath it and just washi taping these pieces in here for pockets, which I like the idea, but I'd already had all these cut out, the extra large, medium. So I'm just going to do the smalls with the washi tape, do a color coordinated, blah blah. Anyway, that's what I've been doing. My desk is a mess. It's a work in progress. Very time consuming. I love the concept. I love the idea, but yeah, so that's why my desk is such a mess, and I have stuff everywhere. But I wanted to come on here real quick. I'm still doing the 52-week card weeks, but I am behind a little bit. I know that. I'm sorry, but and I'll get caught up, I promise. But just life has been lifing. We had a car that was in a flood. They finally got totaled out, and we had to get a new one, and it was very stressful, and it's just been a mess. Hey, by the way, if you're not already subscribed, make sure you do so. So today I'm just going to do a quick haul video. I am on a no spend for crafty items with crafty friend Wanda. We're doing it till September. However, these were purchased, I just want to preface by saying, these were purchased a while ago, but I never did the haul on them, so I didn't break the rules. But we are allowed to order, we were allowed to purchase anything for storage. We were also allowed to replace, like if you ran out of art glitter glue, you could replace it. If you ran out of paper, you could replace it. If you went into a thrift store and found an original book or whatever, you can purchase it because you'll never see it again. But So we do have a few rules in place where we're not 100% not able to purchase stuff, but we are trying not to buy additional stuff. Crafty friend Wanda used to own a scrapbook store. Her craft room looks like a scrapbook store. It's beautiful. She's got everything you could possibly imagine in that. Mine's becoming like that. However, I don't have dupes. I don't know if she has dupes or not, actually, but I'm a collector. I'm a paper craft collector, among other things. I collect, and I like it, and I don't want to get rid of it. I did get rid of a little bit of stuff, but not a lot. Anyway, our plan was to try to curb our appetite with purchasing things that we don't need and use for the 3 months that we're on this. Use what you have is what the whole idea is. So that's what we're doing. But anyway, I had to go to Dollar Tree to, I don't even remember what I was going for. I was going for something. But while I was there, of course, I had to go down the crafting aisle to see what they had new. They never have anything new anymore. It's been years since they had anything new other than this stuff here that I'm going to show you. So, like I said, these I've already had. These are some of the ones. You guys have seen these already. I'm just showing you. Dollar Tree. They have washi tape. This stuff is still there. I've used it. There's not a lot on here. You got the thick, you got the thin, you got the this. They don't have a big variety, but get it while the getting's good because it goes away quick. These are these mushrooms? Yeah. I don't know if they still have the mushrooms or not. These I got from Temu. The reason I put these in here was to show you guys. I got 2 of these, and I think I have another one actually in the closet that I've never used. But I was like, when I was there, I was like, oh my god, these would be great for washi tape because they're curved. So these will work out great. And when I came home, I tried them. $1.25. I only got 2. They are curved. They do work out great. They don't, not all curves are good. Like this one's flat. It's a cute little storage thing for washi tape. Fits in there perfectly. So I'd have to organize it better, obviously. But I got 2 of these. They stack up nicely. So I just wanted to show you that. Okay. Also, the time before last when I was there, oh, I'm trying to straighten out my life here. My craft room is such a mess. They have these trays. Did I show this last time? I might have shown this last time. They only had the one. It was a paper clip last time. And I think they had a couple of these. Put stuff in them. Like you're working on a project, you put stuff in it, then, oops, I got to work on another project. Let me put that aside. You have this little stuff in there. You can put it aside and work on something else. Then you come back to it and you're like, okay, here's all my stuff. So, yes, I collect these. I've seen somebody else do it. I don't know. This one's broken. This was actually... This is how much of a hoarder I've become. This was in my driveway. I have a shared driveway with my next door neighbor. They work on cars a lot. I found this little rusty nut, screw, bolt, whatever, along with the washer. And I was like, oh, I could hang it on a string and use it as something. Who knows? I don't know. I collect stuff. Anyway, so I went back when I was there. I was actually looking for another one of these because I like the paperclip thing, but they didn't have it. They only had 2 of these, 2 green ones. And they're adorable. When you see stuff at Dollar Tree, get them while the getting's good because, especially school supplies and stuff like this, because they will run out quick. And then they won't bring them out again until next year, till the following year. But anyway, there was 2 of them. I left one behind for somebody else in case somebody else wanted it. But this is $1.25. Cute little tray. It goes with my pencil bags, which Crafty Friend Wanda said I need to use, and I will eventually, but they're over there on the shelf. Anyway, they also had a whole bunch of these activity trays. They had purple and pink are the only colors I saw, but they had a crap ton of them. They're very flimsy, and they're shallow. They're not too deep. They're probably half an inch, an inch. Where the heck? Yeah, half an inch deep. They're half an inch deep. Boy, the dimensions are probably on here, but 9.5 by 7.5. So I figured this, and they have like these little wells in here. So I figured these would also be good for projects. I don't have anything little to put in it right now. Let me see. Let's see. So like you're working on some stuff, and you got to put it away. Oops. Just like this, similar to this. Put it away. You could actually get a few of these, stack them up. Then you have the project in here. So that's what I got this for. I only got one. I kind of wish I got more. I did like the pink. My craft room is not coordinated any which way. I know a lot of people have like, oh, I just want to do mint green, or I just want to do pink, or I just want to do... Mine's a Mod Podge of colors. Once I move, when we retire and move, I plan on making mine very cohesive. But for now, just a Mod Podge. And you know what? I don't give a shit. I really don't care. These, I've shown these before. They had a few. These were the only two flavors or designs that they had. I like the clear envelopes. I use them often. But they don't have them anymore, at least not that I've seen. And, oops, I did the smell test. Crafty friend Wanda had gone, and she went and got them, and she said, yeah, they smell really bad. And I was like, what? She said, yeah, even airing them out doesn't help. Well, I didn't realize it, so she was right. They smell. They smell. Some of them smell worse than others. But anyway, they're plastic. They have these little envelopes that you could put smaller things for your project in here. Bigger pieces, put them like this, put them like this, or whatever. I got two. I have a few more. So I like them. If I see them, I get them because I do use them, and I think they're a good way to store things. And then one other thing that I got from Amazon, and I don't even know how much it was, is this to hold a weird contraption. It holds your phone around your neck so you can be hands-free. I think I'm doing it upside down. I haven't tried it yet. It literally just came today. So you can be hands-free and work, and your phone's just kind of hanging. So I got that from Amazon today, but I haven't tried it yet. So I thought that was pretty cool. It's not a crafty item, but I would use it for crafting if I'm standing up doing something elsewhere, not sitting here stationary at my desk. But I got that today from Amazon. I remember putting it in my cart. I don't remember hitting purchase, but apparently I did. So that is that, guys. That is our haul for today. I hope you enjoyed it. Please make sure you subscribe if you're not already. I have some ideas for this. I haven't done anything with the backs of them yet. This was the last one I've done. I haven't done anything more to it. It's getting harder to open. So I think I have to make the holes bigger, which I'm going to do that. Figure out our next one, and I'll get us caught up on it. So stay tuned for that. That's all I have, guys. Hope you have a good day. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video. Bye-bye.